Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to upgrade to business class on KLM. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in klm.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to KLM if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the home, my trip, check-in and information. In the top right corner, we can see that we have, as you can see, everything about your profile. And in the middle of the screen, the book a flight option. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and upgrade to business class on KLM. So first of all, go to the KLM website and log into your account as I told you, and find your upcoming flight and click on Manage Booking or My Trip, which is the second option in the top left corner. Then look for the option to upgrade your flight. This is usually found under a section like Upgrade or Manage Seats, and select the new seat you prefer from the available options in the business class, and follow the prompts to confirm and pay the upgrade. You can also upgrade your flight while checking in online or at the self-service kiosk at the airport, even after you've checked in. Just keep an eye out for last-minute upgrade offers during or after check-in. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.